I wanted to have a trailer system that I could keep my camping and my hunting and all that gear ready without it being in my drive rig. My name is Parscale. I have a trailer company called F8 Trailers. We make a universal chassis that fits under full-size truck beds. My idea originally came from farmers in Oklahoma because nothing would go to waste. If for some reason the truck died, they would take the cab off the truck and they'd use the truck bed as a trailer. There's really kind of nothing more fun than finding the bits and pieces and the products from the different companies that offer truck bed accessories and then really kind of putting that, those puzzle pieces together that suits, the way you want your truck and truck bed to look and what you want to have in it. I would love to be driving down the road and see like a general contractor or an electrician have one and it wrapped in their company logo, and knowing that this little idea that I had is now serving a purpose for a small company.